2014 Chevrolet Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, CD player, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.